Hi, it's Marvin. Let's talk about the Amazon Flex hours cap in 2026. So when you're doing Amazon Flex, you're limited to 8 hours in a day, 24 hours in a rolling 7 days, and you're limited to 96 hours in a rolling 30 days. Now, individual depots can raise these caps. They get put up when things are busy. So around Christmas time and Black Friday, the caps get raised, so you'll be able to do more hours in a week. For instance, last Christmas, they had them set to 32 hours in a week and 120 for the month. The 24-hour limit is in a rolling week. It's not set like the pay week is Wednesday to Wednesday. It's a rolling week. If you think of it like a window into 7 days, you need to look back 6 days from the day you're after the block. And you also have to consider blocks that you've already booked. Because if any of those make your running total go over 24, you won't see any blocks. The easiest way to work this out is to use the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet's in the description below. If you fill in the spreadsheet with your hours, it'll keep a running total for you. And when you're near the 24-hour cap, the fields will change colour so you can see that you're close to it. When you're near the cap, for instance, if you're on 22 hours, you'll only see 2-hour blocks or less. So the spreadsheet will help you maximise your hours. You can also use the spreadsheet to keep a track of your earnings and your mileage, and that'll help when it comes to do your self-assessment at the end of the year. Now, some people fall foul of the monthly cap in January. If they've raised the cap during December because it's busy up to Christmas, then you might have managed to do lots of extra hours. When it gets to January, they reset the cap, and then suddenly you'll find you're way over the 96 hours for the month. And last year, some drivers couldn't see any blocks for 2 or 3 weeks until their running total came back down below 96 hours. So that's something else to look out for. If you do substitutions come off both people's hours. So if you substitute a 2-hour block, you'll still lose 2 hours, and the person you substitute to will lose 2 hours as well. Any adjustments you get, if you go over your time and they give you extra money for going over, those aren't counted in your hourly cap. That's it for this Marvin's Flex tip. If you found it useful, give me a thumbs up. And also you can subscribe if you want to see more Marvin's Flex tips. That's it. Bye for now.